So you want to know how to live the laptop lifestyle at any age, right? Now here's one of the things that you need to know. The majority of the people that watch the Homemade Entrepreneur channel are between the ages of about 24 to about 55 years old. And I say that because that is very important information to know. One of the things that I talk about the most here on the Homemade Entrepreneur channel is affiliate marketing. And that is also one of the things I get the most questions on. So in today's video, I want to discuss how anybody at any age can honestly live the laptop lifestyle and what they should do moving forward. Now, if you have tried to live the laptop lifestyle, and essentially what that means is the laptop lifestyle is where you can work from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. So you pretty much are connected to the world through your laptop. That is the laptop lifestyle. So if you have tried any online business, no matter what it is, let me know down in the comment section below. What business have you tried and what is the reasoning that you think that business failed and you weren't able to live the laptop lifestyle? The next thing I want you to do, hit that thumbs up button. It just helps, the YouTube algorithm just shows you like this video, you want more videos on living the laptop lifestyle and how to make money online. So going back to how to live the laptop lifestyle at any age. The reason why I wanted to shoot this video is because I've been getting a lot of questions from people asking, is this a legitimate income source? Can I make money living the laptop lifestyle? Is this something that you recommend for all people? And here's what I tell people, is that it really depends on you. It really depends on what you are willing to do, the amount of time you're willing to put into the laptop lifestyle and the make money online business. Because if you are thinking that you're going to make $1 million tomorrow, then your ideas, you're not being realistic with what you think the laptop lifestyle actually is. So if you're thinking it's a get-rich-quick scheme, it's not. You have to put in the work. It's going to take a lot of work. It's going to take a lot of time. But if you're willing to put that in, you're willing to devote that time and energy to whatever business that you decide to do, you can be very successful. But what online business do I recommend? Because this is also a question that I get more often than not is, okay, you said I should do this and I should do that and this, and there's so many different options out there, but what would you recommend for me personally? And one of the businesses that I tell most people to start with is affiliate marketing. And here's the number one reason why I say affiliate marketing over any other business. I like affiliate marketing mainly because, number one, it's absolutely free. Unlike reselling online where you have to invest in inventory and products, I like affiliate marketing because there's so many options out there to make money with it and it doesn't cost you a penny. So with that said, I say affiliate marketing, okay, that's perfect. However, how do I get started? Now, I do have something for you, okay? First link down in the description box below will be to my free guide on how I make over $200 per day. Little tip, a little secret, I'm talking about affiliate marketing. So make sure you go and get that guide. Again, it's absolutely free. Just go and put your name, email address, and I'll send it right over. So that's the first thing you need to do. But let's talk about why affiliate marketing at any age in order to live the laptop lifestyle. The reason behind this, again, number one, it's free. But the second reason why I absolutely love this is because you can create videos on YouTube. You can create a post on Instagram. You can create a video or a post or a group on Facebook and promote different products. And you can make money for actually helping other people. Now, let me give you a little bit of an example. Just the other day, I think I was shooting this video on Wednesday. So on Monday, I had a coaching call with a client and he said one main thing. Okay, that one main thing was he figured out what he should do. And what he decided to do, and I'm not going to give away his channel and all that stuff, but what he decided to do was he was going to be creating more YouTube videos, but he's going to talk about a specific type of construction, okay, a very specific sub-niche of construction. And I said, that's perfect. And the reason why that was perfect for him was because he knew that industry. That's where he came from. That was where his background's from. That's where all his past experiences for 27, 28 years, whatever, I can't remember exactly what he said, but almost 30 years, that's where it was coming from, this specific sub niche. And because of that, it was the ideal business. And we talked about it a little bit more, and he got into it and figured out there was a lot of money to be made. He can be making hundreds of dollars every single day by talking about how people can save money, how they can do this specific renovation, how they can, again, I'm not gonna get into it too much, but he figured out that there is a way to do it. And just by creating simple YouTube videos, by going to different job sites that either he was working on or he had friends that were working on them, and so he could kind of shoot a little video, do a little bit of talking on the video, and make a lot of money from it. And that's what I recommend to most people. The biggest issue that I have seen lately with people that are probably 35 to 55 years old is a lot of them think that it's past their prime. You don't see anybody that's 35 years old on YouTube. Yeah, you do. You don't see anybody that's 50 years old on YouTube. Yeah, you do. You see a lot of people that are not in their teens and in their 20s on YouTube. And one of the cool parts about this is, for me, I'm 32 years old. And for me, I like to go, and so if I want to renovate my house or I want to learn how to do something, chances are I'm going to click on the video that has an older person, older gentleman, older woman on it, because chances are they have more experience. So it means that they probably have more wisdom. As a 32-year-old talking about entrepreneurship and business, would you come to me, or would you go to a guy that is 60 years old and does the exact same thing I do, however, has been doing it for 30, 40 years? You can go look at the other person because they probably have a little bit more life experience, a little more wisdom, and a little more little kind of stories to tell to go along with the advice that they have. So that's just one of the things I want you to understand. It doesn't matter how old you are. You could be 15, you could be 50. You can have a full-time income and live the laptop lifestyle by creating simple YouTube videos about whatever it is you're passionate about. Now, if you need help, you don't know exactly how to create the video, how to find the right topics, how to promote certain products or ideas or courses or services inside your video, I put together a course. It's called Affiliate Marketing on YouTube. I'll put a link to it down in the description box below along with the discount code. And if you need help, go and check that out, okay? The cool part about that is it has a 14-day money-back guarantee. So if it doesn't work, if you don't like it, it doesn't have all the information you need, then you can always just ask, hey, I need a refund. It just wasn't for me. And I'll give you a full refund. So let me give you a few tips when it comes to living the laptop lifestyle successfully. Number one tip, everyone's going to tell you should do this, you should do that, and you should try this business and that business, and you're going to make a boatload of money. And that's not necessarily the case. One of the things that I've noticed is that not every business out there will work for every single individual in this world. You talk about e-commerce. Some people just don't want to do it. You talk about reselling, whether it's on eBay or Amazon. Some people just don't want to do it. Talk about affiliate marketing on YouTube. Some people just don't want to do it. There's nothing you can do. There's nothing you can say. Okay? There's some businesses out there that you just won't want to do, and that's fine. Find a business that you are passionate about, that you are excited to start. Maybe it's you're going to create a course and you're going to sell it. Awesome. That's cool. That's a great opportunity. That's a great business idea. However, that's not for everybody. The next tip that I have for you guys when it comes to living the laptop lifestyle at any age is that you are going to have to work longer hours. You're going to have to work harder. You're going to have an income that goes up and down. And so you need to be prepared. And the way you have to be prepared is you need to have some type of savings. Okay? Don't spend all your money. Have some type of savings that you can fall back on. Maybe it's $5,000, $10,000 that you have saved up. It's perfect. Okay? You take that money and you live off that money while you're building your business. Okay? Now, if you have a job right now, I'd keep that job until you get your business somewhat running. Right now, you're just going to be an online entrepreneur. You're going to be an online business owner. But at some point, you can drop your 9 to 5 and live that laptop lifestyle that you really want. Now, here is a very big tip that everybody needs to know, okay? So if you are new to the laptop lifestyle idea, you haven't yet come up with a business plan, you don't know which idea, which option is best for you, here's what I recommend. Pick 2 to 3 different online businesses. Maybe you're gonna do some e-commerce. Maybe you're gonna do some, you're gonna run a service business. Maybe you're also gonna do affiliate marketing on YouTube, or you're gonna create design and logos for Instagram people. That's a great option, okay? Pick 2 to 3 different ideas, and they don't have to be any of those, but pick 2 to 3 different ideas and spend your time on all 2 or 3 of those, okay? Spend all your time, split it up evenly, and just devote all your time into that. And here's what's gonna happen. Some of these businesses are going to somewhat take off over the next couple weeks. Some of them are going to get no traction at all. Some of the businesses are going to, you're just not gonna like them. You're gonna hate the work that you do. You don't wanna get up in the morning. You are just rushing to get in bed at night. If it's an online business that you absolutely love and you have a passion for, number 1, you're gonna wake up early. Number 2, you will not want to go to bed. You will wanna stay up all hours of the night and keep working on your business, designing new pages, new logos, creating better content for your course, creating more YouTube videos, looking into the next affiliate program that you can join. Whatever it is, you are going to do that because that's something you love. And so the reason why I want to bring this up is because when you are doing 2 to 3 businesses and you do this over the next maybe month, what's going to happen is some of these businesses are going to fail because you just don't have the passion for it. And that's fine. If that's the case and you figure that out after week 1 or week 2, that's fine. Drop that business and work on the other 1 or 2 businesses. And eventually what's going to happen is one of those businesses is going to kind of increase. That you like this one better. This one is still okay, but this is your business. You really want to get into affiliate marketing on YouTube or Instagram or Facebook. Cool, that's where you want to be. This business is making you a couple $100s a month. That's fine. You can still dabble here, but this is where your priority lies, okay? And that is going to happen. I know this for a fact because I've done this many times for myself. I've walked many of my students through this as well, so it does happen, and this is the way it works, okay? So just be aware of that and just fight through it. It's going to be a tough first, 2 or 3 months, but once you get past it and you can actually live that laptop lifestyle, you're going to enjoy the life that you have, and you are going to regret that you didn't start a little bit sooner. Now, the last thing I want to say when it comes to living the laptop lifestyle at any age is that it honestly doesn't matter how old you are. There is something you are good at. And so one of the reasons why I personally prefer doing affiliate marketing on YouTube is because you can find something that you are good at. I've talked to very young kids, and they want to get into gaming and vlogging, and so we've worked together a little bit, and I've kind of talked to them and their parents and gave them a plan that do this for a few months and kind of see where you're at. Monetize your YouTube videos this way, and it's worked. I've also talked to older people. I've worked with a 73-year-old single or widowed individual, and she was very smart. She was very good at what she used to do, and so I told her, just spend that time inside of YouTube and learn. See how other people are doing that exact same thing. And she spent 50 some years in the corporate world, and she decided she wanted to change. And so it was just her. Like I said, she was widowed, and she decided she wanted to give YouTube a shot, and she's doing it. She's making money now, and that's awesome. But the thing is, you just have to start, and so many people won't start because they're worried that they're going to fail. I'll tell you right now, it's not starting, is failing already, okay? So if you're not going to start because you're worried about failing, you are already a failure, okay? Just 100%, that's the truth. If you start and you eventually fail, you also learned what not to do. But at the same time, you also learned what you were good at. And that's what I recommend is, even though you're going to fail more times than you're going to succeed, the failures are also small wins. You learn what you're not good at, you learn what you're good at, and now all you got to do is just double down on the things that you're good at. Get rid of the things that you can't do, hey, hire those out to somebody else. Just don't worry about it and stick to what you know, because that's where you're gonna make the most money possible. So again, how can you live the laptop lifestyle at any age? Number one thing, just get started. Get started, ask questions, learn, figure out how to do it as you go. Take action, all right? So if you have any questions or you need help on starting your laptop lifestyle, let me know what questions you have. You can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.